Narendra Bhai Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of Rwanda, heads of government, visiting diplomats, dignitaries on the dais and all those present here. I feel privileged to be speaking to you at the 5th edition of the Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit, a much awaited event that has very quickly achieved great significance in the international business landscape. The stature of this event is evident from the fact that 19 Indian states, 45 international companies, and 36 knowledge-sharing seminars are being showcased in this global summit. This goes to show the confidence of Gujarat as a state that can offer its platform to other states, while at the same time lead from the front as the ideal destination for investments into the country. We are pleased to see that this year Japan and Canada have joined the summit as partner countries. Canada is the country that is close to our heart. Over 3,000 members of the SR family helped run a steel plant in Sault Ste. Marie in Ontario. SR has been associated with Vibrant Gujarat ever since it started and is honored and proud once again to be associated with it this year. This unique initiative, started by the Honorable Chief Minister, has turned into a hallmark event for the entire country. Vibrant Gujarat also resonates well with our corporate philosophy. Earlier this week, we heard Shri Narendra Bhai talk of the entrepreneurial spirit of young Indians who should take advantage and use Vibrant Gujarat to its fullest. SR is a prime example of the same entrepreneurial spirit which has led us to invest heavily in Gujarat over the last 3 decades and significantly since the Vibrant Gujarat Summit first began in 2003. This has been possible because Gujarat offers the unique blend of right investment environment combined with modern infrastructure and a very helpful state administration which is designed with the goal of nurturing investments. It offers the ideal platform to those who want to invest in the future of their own organizations as well as the future of the state and the country. And this atmosphere has been created due to the strong leadership of Narendra Bhai, whose management style is unmatched. His approach to business visionary while he thinks of the big picture all the time, and his eye for detail still remarkable. He sets the pace for the government as well as those who have an interest in Gujarat. But Gujarat is not just a story of high GDP and per capita income. It is also a state with strong social indicators, and many of such social initiatives have been recognized by bodies like the United Nations. Gujarat is today an ideal investment destination. I would even say it is the gateway to India when it comes to business. The theme of Gujarat and business go well together. It has worked for majority of India Inc., most of who are present here today. And it has worked successfully for the people of Gujarat and India. The success of Gujarat has meant success for us as well. Ever since Vibrant Gujarat was launched, SR has been signing various memorandums of investment with the state to show its commitment here, and has committed investments of over 70,000 crores in the last decade. However, the unique feature about Vibrant Gujarat, that this is not just an occasion for signing MOUs, this is one platform where majority of the MOUs that get signed translate into real investments on the ground. In SR's case, I can proudly say that all the investments committed have been completed or are nearing completion. These are in projects ranging from a 10 million ton integrated steel plant in Hazira, 3,000 megawatts of power, and an 18 million ton refinery complex in Jamnagar, and 100 million tons of port capacity along the coast of Gujarat. And setting up of the SR Academy, a center for training for the youth of Gujarat. This year too, as a part of our continuing confidence in Gujarat, we are committing additional investments of about 30,000 crores in the area of power, refining, ports, and water infrastructure. I would like to once again welcome all of you on behalf of Gujarat and India Inc. to this momentous event. I would also like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai, for giving us all an opportunity to showcase our commitment to the state of Gujarat. We wish this event all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ruya. We now invite Dr. Rupert